What's up, y'all? It's your girl Animal here with another fun exercise to help you along your drumming path. This will be a variation on the Flam Paradiddle. Start with the Flam Paradiddle with the ostinato foot pattern beneath. Then sprinkle a little cheese on there. A cheese again being a flam and a diddle, a double at the same time. Then move that double to the second stroke of the Flam Paradiddle. Then do the cheese and the double on the second hit, in the same moment, and then work your way back down that tree. So first things first, start your trusty metronome. I'm gonna put it at a 60 for now. Set them feet. Yeah. All right. So then you want to, of course, incrementally increase that tempo. We're going to pull a cooking show and just jump up a little bit further. Let's move that. Man, let's do an 85 for funsies. Start your feet. If you mess up in the middle of it like I just did, keep going. If you need to go away from that pattern, try to come back to it instead of stopping if you can. Now, what we can do with this one is move this around the drum set. Let me put it back down a little bit there. Maybe do a 75 here, same feet pattern, and then we're going to move it around the drum set with the diddle part of the paradiddle. And then, of course, move it up from there. So I hope you enjoy. Happy drumming.